Listen to that quality crack.
Welcome to the Mega Factory. This facility produces over 500 tons of chocolate every single day.
The journey begins with the arrival of raw cocoa beans from the finest tropical farms. Each container holds tons of dried fermented beans, ready for processing. Skilled teams unload the cargo, moving it swiftly to the initial staging area. This warehouse holds enough inventory to keep the production lines running for months.
Before processing, a sample is taken. Quality is non-negotiable.
Lab technicians analyze moisture content and bean quality to ensure perfect flavor.
Once approved, the beans are manually fed into the intake hoppers.
A complex network of conveyor belts transports the beans to the cleaning sector. First, vibrating sieves shake out any dust, twigs, or loose stones. Powerful air jets blow away light debris, leaving only the dense beans. Magnets capture any metallic objects, ensuring 100% safety.
The cleaned beans are weighed precisely to prepare for the roasting batches.
Now, the beans enter the heart of the factory, the roasting department. Furnaces heat the air to a scorching 140 degrees Celsius. Inside the drum, the beans tumble for up to 30 minutes.
This heat triggers the Maillard reaction, unlocking that signature chocolate aroma.
To stop the cooking process, the beans are immediately cooled on large trays.
The master roaster checks the aroma. It must be perfect.
Next is winnowing. We crack the beans to separate the shell from the nib.
Fans blow the light shells away, which are recycled for garden mulch.
What remains is the nib per se, the pure essence of the chocolate.
These nibs are fed into heavy-duty steel grinders.
The initial grinding crushes the nibs into a coarse paste.
Friction generates heat, melting the cocoa butter and creating cocoa liquor.
This liquid gold is stored in heated tanks to keep it from solidifying.
Some liquor is pressed to separate the golden cocoa butter from the cocoa powder. To make chocolate sweet, tons of fine sugar are prepared.
For milk chocolate, we add high-quality dehydrated milk powder.
The mixer combines the cocoa liquor, butter, sugar, and milk.
Currently, the mixture is just a gritty paste, far from the smooth candy we love.
Experienced operators check the consistency before sending it to the refiners. The paste is then transferred to the mighty 5-roll refiners. These massive steel rollers are the key to silky smooth chocolate. Immense pressure crushes tiny sugar and milk particles until they are microscopic. The output is a fine, dry powder, smoother than silk to the touch.
We measure particle size in microns. If you can feel the grain, it's not ready.
Now begins conching, the most crucial step for flavor development. At first, heavy rollers knead the dry flakes, generating frictional heat.
We add reserved cocoa butter to transform the powder back into a liquid.
Over hours of kneading, the mixture transforms into a glossy liquid.
Constant aeration evaporates unwanted bitter acids, mellowing the flavor.
This process can take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours, monitored constantly.
The chocolatier checks the viscosity. The flow must be perfect for molding.
A tiny drop of emulsifier, like soy lecithin, is added to ensure a smooth flow.
Finally, natural vanilla is added to round out the flavor profile.
Enormous heated holding tanks. Here, tons of liquid chocolate await conversion into candy bars. Slow-moving blades keep the chocolate perfectly homogeneous.
From here, the chocolate is piped to various candy production lines.
Meanwhile, other ingredients like fresh roasted hazelnuts are prepared.
For nutty bars, whole hazelnuts are gently folded into the chocolate stream.
Before molding, the chocolate must pass through the critical tempering machine.
Then it is rapidly cooled to encourage stable crystal formation.
A final slight reheat creates the perfect workable structure.
A quick bench test confirms if the chocolate sets properly.
The chocolate is now tempered, glossy, stable, and ready for shape.
Empty molds begin their journey down the high-speed candy line.
Empty molds are gently heated first. If they are too cold, the chocolate will crystallize incorrectly. High-precision pistons deposit the exact weight of chocolate into each cavity. The liquid chocolate spreads, filling the mold to the brim. After vibration, the molds enter a long cooling tunnel to solidify the chocolate. Vibration forces trapped air bubbles to the surface, ensuring a dense, solid bar. A scraper blade levels the mold, ensuring the bar has a flat back and uniform weight. Operators keep a watchful eye. Any imperfect fill is removed immediately. The liquid bars now enter the massive cooling tunnel.
Cooling happens in zones. We start gently to preserve the shine. Inside, the cocoa butter crystals stabilize, locking in the structure.
In the middle zone, colder air solidifies the bar completely. After 45 minutes, the molds emerge. The chocolate is now hard and crisp.
Chocolate shrinks slightly when cooled, making it easier to release.
The bars fall gently onto the discharge belt, revealing their perfect shape.
Automated rails align the scattered bars into neat, organized rows.
A perfect gloss indicates the tempering was successful.
Any bar that doesn't meet the exact weight is automatically rejected.
Thousands of bars travel up the buffer spiral, waiting for the wrapping machines.
Despite automation, our team performs visual checks every hour.
A clean, sharp snap is the hallmark of premium chocolate. Production lines merge, sending thousands of bars to the packaging hall.
We are now producing over 20,000 bars per hour.
Finally, the bars enter the high-speed packaging department.
Colorful wrappers are prepared to dress the chocolate.
Smart belts space the bars perfectly to sync with the wrapping cutters. First, the bar is wrapped in premium gold foil to seal in freshness and aroma. Mechanical tuckers fold the corners tight. Not a millimeter of chocolate is exposed. Next, the gold-wrapped bar slides into our signature matte finish sleeve. A microdot of food-safe glue seals the package permanently.
These advanced machines wrap an incredible 500 bars every minute.
Laser coating etches the batch number for complete traceability. A final weight check ensures the customer gets exactly what they paid for. The finished bars accumulate, ready to be boxed for retail.
They are arranged neatly into retail display boxes, 12 per pack.
The display boxes are sealed, ready for the store shelf.
Shrink wrap protects the boxes from humidity and dust during transport.
Inventory labels are applied for logistics tracking. Conveyors lift the cases to the palletizing area.
Heavy-duty robots stack the cases onto wooden pallets with geometric precision.
Boxes are interlocked to ensure the stack remains stable during shipping. Forklifts move the finished pallets to the dispatch bay. Our climate-controlled warehouse holds thousands of pallets ready for export. Trucks are loaded around the clock to supply markets worldwide.
From raw bean to the shelf, the journey is complete.
The result? A perfect snap, smooth melt, and an unforgettable taste.
Strict cleaning protocols ensure every batch is as safe as it is delicious. And back at the factory, the process continues, 24 hours a day.
Thank you for joining the journey. If you enjoyed the process, don't forget to subscribe for more.